Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I'm going to make chicken pulao today. So I've chopped 2 onions and I'm going to fry them in some oil. You're going to need 2 baby chickens chopped into small pieces and washed. So we're going to start by just frying the onions in the oil until they're nice and brown. So you can see I'm just letting them fry for about 10 to 15 minutes. They're nice and brown here. So now I'm going to add 1 tomato chopped, 1 green chili chopped and 1 red chili chopped. You can add less or more as you prefer. And we're just going to let this fry through. And then we're going to add our spices, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic ginger paste. I've got a teaspoon of coriander powder, cumin powder and black pepper powder. I've got some turmeric and I've got some cumin seeds and some cloves and black peppercorns as well. Add to taste and just let that stir through. And then we're going to add in the chicken and let that brown for a few minutes. And then we're just going to allow the chicken to cook through, which can take 20 to 30 minutes. So I'm just coating the chicken pieces in the masala or the spices. And we're just going to let that cook. So you're going to add some water to this. So if you're cooking 5 cups of rice, you'll add about 9 to 10 cups of water to allow the chicken to cook through. So I'm going to add the water now. Once the chicken is about 3/4 cooked, you'll add the water. So that's what I've done here. And you're just going to let this come to the boil. And then you're going to add in your uncooked rice, which has been soaking in water. So that's what we're going to do. You're just going to let the rice cook through. And when it's like almost 90% cooked through, then you're going to turn down the heat and cover it with the lid and some tin foil. So that's what I've done here. And you leave it until the steam comes out. And you can see the steam is coming out nicely and the rice is so tasty. You must give this a try and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.